How to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking them. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to limit someone on Facebook without the drama of blocking them, there is a very quiet feature that lets you do exactly that. So let's just walk you through step by step. So open up Facebook and we can use the restrict feature. Restricting someone means they cannot be able to see your future post and their messages go to message request and they won't know you have restricted them. So once we open up the Facebook application, we can head over to the profile, to the person's profile, to your friend's profile. And once you go to the friend's profile, you can just go over and tap on the friends option. And when you do here, you'll be finding an option called edit friend list. So go ahead and tap on that. And once you have done that, you can select the third option called restricted. And go ahead and tap on save. And when you do so, now they are restricted. You can just go and do so. Apart from that, what we can do is if you want to unrestrict them, again, you can follow the same process, head over to their profile and go to the friends option once again and tap on edit friend list and select the third option called restricted. Uncheck it and tap on save and they should be unrestricted. Usually when you restrict someone, they can still see your public post. They won't be getting notified. You stay friends with them, but with very limited interaction. And you can use this option right there to avoid blocking and make it completely private and reversible. So for today's video, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.